Hello everyone! So magandang araw sa inyo. Okay? Kamusta kayo? Ang topic natin naman ngayon ay graphing of linear equations using slope-intercept form. Okay? So same topic pa rin naman yan. Okay po, kaso nga lang meron tayong mga y-intercepts na dito. Okay po. So dapat alam din natin yung pagkuha ng slope ha. Okay po, yung slope natin. Dapat naalala nyo pa yung mga formula. De, joke lang. So ang formula ng slope natin ay m is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Ngayon naman, mayroon pa tayong isa, which is m is equal to rise over run. Okay? So, let us start. Ano nga ba to? Okay, bakit ba natin pinag-aaralan yan? Eto. So, dapat una natin matutunan is yung formula natin for the slope-intercept form. Okay po, so slope-intercept form is equals to y is equals to mx plus b. Okay? Where m, ayan, yung m natin, ayun. Okay, that is our slope. While b, ito, okay, is our y-intercept. Okay, so mamaya, tandaan nyo, kukuhain natin yung dalawang yan. So, dapat ready tayo, yung b, saka yung m natin. Okay? So, paano ba tayo mag-graph? Okay, focus natin ngayon ay pag-graph. Okay? Pag-graph nito. Okay po, so we have 4 steps, easy steps. So, first is to write the equation in the form of y is equal to mx plus b. Yan yung tinatawag nating slope-intercept form ha. Huwag kalimutan, slope-intercept form. Plot the y-intercept, okay, kung saan yung b natin kanina, ayun. Okay, that will be our y. Then, 0 ang ating x. Third, use the slope. Ayun, yung slope natin, yung m. Rise over run to find another point. Okay, hanapin natin yung another point. Then lastly, 4, draw a straight line through the points. Okay? So, let us start. First thing, bago tayo mag-graph muna tayo, okay? Bago mag-graph, dapat alam muna natin mag-identify ng ating slope at ng y-intercept natin. Okay? So, y is equal to mx plus b. Okay? Sabihin nyo sa akin kung ano yung y-intercept, sabihin nyo din kung ano yung ating slope. Okay po? Example tayo. Yan. O, nakatagilid pa, no? Pasensya na po. Ayan. So, try. Number 1, we have y is equal to 3x plus 2. What is our m or what is our slope? Okay, very good. Our slope is 3. Okay? So, pwede na natin dyan ilagay yung 3. Ayun. Ano naman ang ating y-intercept? Very good. That is 2. Okay, be careful po sa mga symbols nila or yung sign nila. Okay po, huwag kalimutan. Next, number 2 tayo. Y is equals to negative 2x plus 5. O, sige. Ano yung ating m or yung slope natin? Very good. That is negative 2. Ayun, negative 2. Okay. What is our y-intercept? Very good. That is 5. Okay. Next, number 3 tayo. 5 lang naman to. Number 3, what is our slope? Okay, very good. That is 1/2. Okay. How about our y-intercept? Very good. That is negative 4. Okay be careful po sa mga symbols o mga sign nila. Okay po. How about number 4? We have y is equals to x minus 7. What is our slope? Wala sir, wala po kami nakikita. So obviously, pag wala nakita dyan, okay, sa unahan ng x, okay, so that is obviously 1. Okay po. Next, how about the y-intercept? Very good. We have 7. Wala sir, di po 7. Ano po? Negative 7. Ayun. Okay, very good. Observe natin. So lastly, number 5, what is our slope and y-intercept for the given y equals negative 3 over 4x plus 1? Very good. So for our slope, we have negative 3 over 4. For our y-intercept, we have positive 1. Okay, so yan na yung ating mga slope and y-intercept. Okay, so wag na kayo malilito. Mamaya may mga try pa more pa tayo, okay? So let us try to answer this. Nasulatan tuloy. Napatungan kasi, sorry. Okay po. So example number 1 natin. So tandaan natin yung mga steps. Baka nalimutan nyo yung steps. Okay? First step natin, ulitin natin, write the equation in the form y equals mx plus b. Plot the y-intercept. Okay? We have 0 and our b. Okay po, ito yan. Ilalagay nyo lang yan doon. Third, use the slope. Dapat alam nyo yung slope natin. Rise over run to find another point. Then, draw a straight line through the points. Okay, so let us start. Example number 1. Magagraph na tayo ha. Okay. Example number 1, we have y is equal to 2x plus 3. Okay, so first step natin. Okay, lagyan na natin dun. First step natin, so write the equation in the form. Okay, so naka-form naman na yan ng slope-intercept form. So, sulat na lang natin. So, y is equals to 2x plus 3. Okay, next. Plot the y-intercept. Okay, so lagyan na natin. We have 0. Ano yung ating y-intercept dito sa 2x plus 3? Very good. We have 3. Positive 3. Okay. Use the slope naman. Ano ba yung slope natin? Okay, so dapat alam niyo yung slope. Ano slope natin dito? We have 2. Very good. We have slope na 2. Slope natin is 2. That is our y-intercept, by the way. Then lastly, draw a straight line through the points. Okay, so simulan na natin. Simulan muna natin sa ating y-intercept. Okay, that is 0, 3. So, ang x natin ay 0. So, pupunta tayo sa 3 dito sa y. Ito yung origin natin ha, origin. Okay, so count lang tayo ng 3. 3 up kasi positive siya. Pag negative yan, bababa tayo. So, up tayo. 1, 2, 3. Ayun. So, dyan yung isa nating point. Okay. Ang sabi, okay, that is 2. Yung slope natin. So, ibig sabihin, up tayo ng dalawa. 1, 2. Ayun. So, dito. Kaso, nakalimutan natin, ano, may 1 dyan sa ilalim. That is yung ating run. So, from 2 above, okay, then 1 na run tayo. So, that is our first example. Then, after that, sabi, draw a line. So, draw a line na tayo. Okay. So, nakapag-graph na tayo. Okay. So, yan yung una natin. So, ano yung mga points natin dyan? So, we have 0, 3. Okay, 0, 3. At ano isa? Okay, very good. So, we have, ito lagyan natin. 1, 5. So, 1 sa x, ayun. Then, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so very good. Next example tayo. Sir, medyo nalilito pa po kami. Okay lang bang isa pang example? Sige, walang problema pa. Ayan. Kaso nga lang, nabubura na yung aking, ditong aking, Cartesian plane ko. Okay, kuhain ko lang yung example natin. Example number 2. Ayan, example number 2 natin. Ayun. So, we have y is equals to negative x plus 4. Okay, so we have y is equal to negative x plus 4. So, ano gagawin natin kapag ganyan? Ano? Kaya pa ba? Kayang-kaya niya yan. Okay, so first, okay, isulat natin muna equation. Ano equation natin? So, ayun na. Copy na natin. Y is equal to negative x plus 4. Tapos. Ayun na siya. Next. Plot the y-intercept. Okay, ano yung y-intercept natin? So, 0 ulit. Okay. Ano yung intercept natin? B. Very good. We have, ayun, 4. Ibig sabihin, mag-start tayo. Starting point natin is 0, 4. Okay. What's next? So, that's the third one. Use the slope, M. Okay, so, gamit natin slope. Ano yung slope nito? Ng negative x. Very good. That is negative 1. Okay, so, slope natin is negative 1. Okay, nasusundan natin. Okay, so now, let us now plot it. Okay, plot na natin para makita natin other point. So, let us start with 0, 4. Okay, so count natin. 0 yung x. Ayun, so origin tayo. 4 sa positive y. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ayun. So, doon pala tayo. Okay, then after that, nakita natin slope natin negative 1. So, ibig sabihin, bababa tayo. Ilan ang ibababa natin? Isa. So, baba tayo ng 1. 1. Ayun, bumaba tayo. 1. Okay. Then, yung may run pa tayo, di ba? Tanda natin, that is negative 1 over 1. Okay. So, run tayo ng isa. Ayun. So, after that, plot natin. Okay. So, we have it. Okay. So, yan siya. As you can see, that is a negative slope. Okay. So, kaya makikita nyo kung yung sa pinag-aralan din ng karaan, negative talaga. Ganyan yung itsura ng slope natin. Okay. So, nasusundan? Okay. Next example tayo. Okay. Next example. Kaya nyo yan. Third example tayo. Okay. For our third example, we have this. Y is equals to 1 over 2x minus 2. Okay. So, what will be our steps? Okay. So, first is to write our given. The slope-intercept form. So, we have y is equal to 1 over 2x minus 2. Okay. Then next, let us now write our y-intercept. Naalala nyo na, y-intercept naman tayo. So, what is our y-intercept? So, lagyan natin ng 0 as our x. Then, ayun, 2. Sir, bakit 2? Hindi po ba negative 2? Negative 2 po siya. Okay, kasi ayun, may negative siya. Kita naman natin. Okay. So, what is our slope? Ito na tayo. Slope na tayo. What will be our slope? As you can see here, okay, that is 1 over 2. Okay. So, now, let us graph it na ba for the fourth step. For the first step, eto na. So, let us start with 0, negative 2. So, 0. Ayan, yung x natin. Since that is negative 2, yung ating y, we're going down. 1, 2. So, ayan, dyan tayo. That is 0, negative 2. Okay. Then, it says, we're going up 1. Okay, so angat tayo ng isa. Ayun, umangat tayo ng isa. Okay. Then, run tayo ng dalawa. Pakanan. 1, 2. Ayun. Okay, then after that, we're going to grab it using our yun, ating malupit na ano. Okay, so ayan na yung graph natin. So we have here 0, negative 2. At yung isa naman natin, that is what? Very good. So we have here 2, negative 1. Okay? So now, last example tayo. Last example. Grabe, tagal na itong video na to. Okay? Kasi gusto natin matuto ang lahat. Okay, we have this one. Okay, ito na yung last example natin ha. Okay, listen po. Okay, so last example, ay, wait, huwag mo burain. Okay, may panlinis mo, di ba? So, example number 4, that's the last one. So, we're going to write again our given into slope-intercept form. So, we have y equals negative 2 over 3x plus 1. Okay, so that is our equation. Okay, next, we're going to find the slope. What is our slope? We have 0 as x. What's our y-intercept? That is 1. Positive 1. Okay, kasi makikita nyo, positive 1 ha, not negative. Kanina kasi may mga negative tayo, like example number 3. Next, what is our slope? O yung katabi ng x? Negative 2 over 3. Ayan, so yan, negative 2 over 3. Okay, so we're going to graph it na po. Okay, graph na natin. So, let us start with 0, 1. So, origin, x natin ay 0. So, up tayo ng isa. Ayan, 0, 1. So, this is our first point. Okay, what's next? We're going up pa rin. Okay, dalawa tayo. Mag-up tayo. Mag-up nga ba tayo talaga? No, of course. We're going down kasi that is negative 2. Okay, so very good observation. So, count tayo ng dalawa. 1, 2. Ayun, so nandito yung isa natin. Ayun, hindi ko pa kinakapalan kasi magra-run pa tayo. So, run tayo ng tatlo. 1, 2, 3. Ayun. So, ito yung ating isang point. Okay, so makikita nyo, pa-connect natin siya. Yun. So, we have this. Okay, so makikita nyo, since our slope is negative, ganyan ulit yung itsura ng ating negative slope. Okay, so I hope you've learned. Okay, so try this one. Okay, try pa more. Okay. So, igigilid ko lang. So, pasensya na po. Ayan. So, una, hanapin nyo muna yung mga slope. Try nyo muna. Tapos, i-graph nyo na rin. Ano po? So, yun lang. Magandang hapon. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat.